Did you know artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, learn, and even create content? And the best part, some of the most powerful AI tools are completely free. In this video, I'll show you 3 amazing AI tools that you can start using today to make your life smarter and easier. First up, we have Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smarter version of Google. You ask a question, and it gives you a clear, accurate answer with real sources. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just curious, this tool saves you time and gives you trustworthy info instantly. Next is Kits AI, an amazing voice cloning and music creation tool. Just type your lyrics or script, choose a voice style, and boom! It creates realistic voiceovers or even full songs. Perfect for YouTubers, musicians, or anyone who wants to sound professional without a mic. Hate making PowerPoints? Then you'll love Gamma app. Just give it a topic, and it automatically turns your idea into a beautiful presentation or web page. No design skills needed. It's fast, clean, and seriously impressive. All 3 tools are free, and they're changing the game in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI tools like these, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly updates. See you in the next one. Let's quickly recap. Perplexity AI for smart answers, Kits AI for voice cloning and music, and Gamma app for automatic presentations. 3 powerful tools, all free and ready to use today.